Shalom and welcome to another edition of Ask the Elders. This question comes from us from McDonald N. Question comes from Luke 23 verses 42 and 43, which says, "And he said to Yahusha, Master, remember me when you come into your reign. And Yahusha said to him, Truly, I say to you today, you shall be with me in paradise." What does Yahusha mean when he said this? Can you explain this chapter to me, please? Well, if we take this back to the context of what happened during this time, we see Yahusha was on the stake between the two criminals. One was mocking Yahusha, saying, if you are Adon, then save yourself, if you are Elohim. The other one rebuked him, and he said that we're all going to be judged by our actions, basically, paraphrasing here. And then he proceeds to ask him to remember him as he enters his reign. And Yahusha says an interesting phrase here when he says that he will be with him in paradise. This day you'll be with me in paradise. What I see this saying is that he's telling this man, you have seen me for who I am, just like you and I see him for who he is. We recognize our wrongdoing like he did. We acknowledge who Yahusha is, and we ask him to remember us, to forgive us, the same as he did. Therefore, he also tells you and I that we will also be with him in paradise. The day that we make that decision, because that's the day that we are reborn from above. That's the day that we are renewed. That's the day when we begin our righteous lifestyles, yeah? And if we continue to do these things, we shall be with him in paradise. Therefore, what does that word paradise mean? That is really the question. And when I go back and look at it, it brings a little more clarity, I should say. For the origin, it means basically a park, an Eden, kind of like, I guess, the Garden of Eden, huh? Also paradise, but it's also a place of future happiness, basically paradise. So he's telling this young man that he will be with him in the future of happiness with paradise or in paradise. So what he's sharing with this young man is a vision that he's recognized him, that he has accepted him, that he has acknowledged his sin and what he's done wrong, and that he knows that Yahusha is Elohim. You know, he's the one son. He's the son of Yahuah. He's the Mashiach. Therefore, as he acknowledged this and he spoke these words to Yahusha, Yahusha acknowledged him. Yeah? And that's why he tells him that he's going to be with him. He's made a promise to him that he'll be with him in paradise. Now, some may look at this as meaning that he'll see him in paradise, which is a lot of people will equate this to the bosom of Abraham, which I believe is Sheol. I think that's where they both descended to that place, of course. But that doesn't mean that was paradise. Yeah. So I think it's a futuristic sense, if you will, that he will be with him in paradise from that day onward. You know, the same way with you and I, when we accept him from that day onward, we'll be with him in paradise because we are, you know, his people. And Yahuah told him that none will be taken from his hand that has been given to Yahusha. So this to me represents that no matter what time or what moment that promise is made that we'll be with him in paradise, it is that day that we make that decision that he is the one, you know, that he is our mediator, that he is the doorway to the Father, that he is the means of this new covenant relationship that we have with Yahuah. and that he is, our high priest. So, he's made that promise to him that he's one of his own, and he will see him. He will be with him. So that's what I understand this chapter to be speaking about. I hope that gives you some comfort, some answers, some encouragement of what this is saying and what it means to you and I. Hallelujah. So again, we appreciate your questions and look forward to answering more of your questions on the next edition of Ask the Elders. Shalom.
Shalom, Akuti, and Brohim. Thank you so much for viewing this video. We hope it was helpful to your walk in the truth. Remember to always search the scriptures on your own, to study Abba's word and show yourself approved, according to 2 Timothy 2:15. We invite you to study with us. To join us in a live study, just go to our website at assemblyofyahuah.com and click the Join Us tab. We have something available Wednesday through Saturday of every week. If you've been Baruch or blessed by this video today or any other study, we encourage you to go to the Giving tab on our website. Our elders all have their own ways of income, so none of the giving or proceeds go to them. Instead, it goes to biblical assembly needs. We also encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss any new videos. We sincerely pray that Abba continues to direct your path as you acknowledge Him in all your ways. Much Avaha, and again, Shalom.